Ready?
No.
All right, perfect. Neutral, drive.
Whoa, whoa, oh! It's pushing! Oh, wow.
Are they locked up?
No, they're just pushing. Ah! Whoa! Don't roll the door down. This is not gonna work.
We need to go to a pawn shop and buy some free weights, dude.
We need lead. The front end is so light that it won't stop or steer. The tires are just sliding.
When we had a gas tank that was full, this was reasonably safe.
Reasonably?
We have a radiator in the toolbox. It's not at all safe. So this will be 150. We're better than we were before.
Oh, there's plenty of suspension travel. You don't want to put the other 50 on?
All right.
That's a super sketchy 190 pounds on the nose now, so hopefully that fixes it. Hood down, out of here.
Pump up the brakes a little bit here.
Sure.
Oh, it's better, dude.
Is it?
This is better.
Is it skidding? Oh, it steers now.
Oh, yeah.
We win. I mean, you autocrossed this.
Yeah.
It turned in.
With 16 gallons of gas.
Look at that. We have 60 pounds of oil pressure.
Dude, it's spunky. You know what? The trans is not slipping anymore.
Oh, right.
It leaves good.
I forgot about that.
Oh, dude. This is a new machine.
Yeah?
I'm about to fall in love all over again.
It still has no rear end gear, though. Didn't we decide it was like 273 or 308?
Yeah, it's really high.
Did you bolt my seatbelt down with a bolt or zip ties?
What would make you feel better?
Bolt.
Okay, there's a bolt.
Thanks. I don't know. It's like, is it legal? Like, I don't know.
Of course it is. I love looking in the window and seeing carburetors and air scoop.
It's probably it is way better than before.
Oh, yeah. It runs better, too.
Do you feel like you're driving your old boat?
I'm literally looking behind me going, yep, this is like driving a boat.
Yep. You're going 52.
All right, so 2100 is 52.
Well, that means 2800 is 70. That's not bad.
I can live with that.
We're about 60 miles out of town now, and unfortunately for your entertainment, everything's going perfectly.